Tower, Skyhawk 9853 Lima holding short 6 right via Delta, ready for departure.
Skyhawk 53 Lima, gain Tower, roger, rolling 6 right at Delta, wind 07013, gas 22, clear for takeoff. Expect a left turn out.
6 right via Delta, clear for takeoff, 53 Lima, expect a left turn out. Alright, and ready to roll. Airspeed's coming alive, oil pressure's good, oil temps are good, everything's in the green. 55, you got V1. Start coming up, and we're there, guys.
Super smooth. Zero takeoff.
It's a really nice day, guys.
Yeah, it is. So pretty.
There you go, hands-free flying.
It's so cool how the naval base looks.
Jake, you get a picture of that. I like the cool area.
Yeah, so there is no airspace restrictions over the naval base.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so that's not it's not anything.
328 cross on 6 right at Delta, contact Ram 10.
Hotel 6 right, contact Ram, 328.
One center, Skyhawk 9853 Lima, currently 2,300, heading towards Cocos.
9853 Lima, Guam, center, latitude radar contact, 8 miles southwest of Eugene Airport.
Position checks, 53 Lima. So Jake, when we were riding, we made it to about like maybe this like island up here.
Okay.
And then we cut back and we went to those beaches right over here. So we were pretty close because there's Cocos if you look off in the distance. So we had another maybe like 3 miles to ride, 2 miles to ride. We were close. Can you see over there?
Yeah.
Nice. Can I come back this way if you want to take some pictures on your side there, Kristen?
I'll try.
Man, that's a swimming pool. Is that for the resort there or
I
something?
think so. They have their own little resort. So like when we jet ski to the island, they're cool with us like walking on areas of the island, but you can't go to the resort area unless you pay their fee. It's kind of dumb.
I don't think it's that
I feel
far.
like it is in this area.
Up there.
Yeah. I thought I'd be able to see the crosses, but I don't
The
know.
what?
The crosses, I don't see it.
Is it where all that brown, like, area that maybe caught on fire is, or no?
Ooh, I don't remember there being a lot of red dirt around there, so I don't think so. So you see that little flash, or that pool flashing green
Huh?
right below you?
Oh, yeah.
I wonder what that was for.
But you have a few controls with this. You push in, the nose dips, right?
Whoa!
He did not like that.
You push in,
Oh.
you push in, the nose dips. We only lost like 10 feet.
My balls
Here.
pushed into my stomach.
Okay, alright, so you push in, the nose drops, just like we saw there, okay? We're good to the right, so make a small turn to the right. Forward, forward, forward. There you go, pull back just a tad. Alright, push forward just a tad. Just a tad, pull back just a tad. Now pull back, yep. A little more to the right, a little more to the right, a little more to the right. There you go, hold it right there, right there. We'll make a full 360 here. Pull back a little bit, we're kind of dipping down. Pull back, pull back, pull back. There you go. Pull back. There we go, just a tad. So you want to keep like a level picture. You want to keep the horizon kind of flat as much as you can. So pull back a little bit. See how we're dipping the nose a little? There you go. Perfect. Good, good. Push forward just a tad. There you go. Just smidge, smidge. Right here. Pull back. Right. Right there. You can kind of feel it. You know what I mean? You can feel that, right? All right, so once we get pointed directly this way, I'll have you slowly roll us back level, okay? So look at this guy. You can obviously see it too with the horizon. So you're flying right now. All right, so slowly roll us back to the left. See how the nose is kind of dipped down below the horizon? You want to kind of pull back, bring the nose up a little bit, just a smidge. There you go. Perfect. Pull back. There you go, right there. Just too much. Right there. Perfect. You feel that? You see that? That's good. That's perfect. Look at that. You're doing a perfect turn. Now almost a full rate turn too. That's good. Pull back just a little on the nose, just a little. There you go, right there. That's a perfect turn.
That's interesting.
That's a good turn right there. Now slowly roll us back level. Slowly. When you're doing that, you're going to pull back a little on the yoke. Slowly. Slowly like this. And pull back. And down. There you go. Nice.
Good job.
Hell yeah.
Interesting.
How'd you like that?
That was pretty cool.
Oh, fuck. God damn. That's every fucking time. I think that turn was too fast.
Yeah, did you lose your breakfast?
Almost.
Virginia Tower, Skyhawk 9853 Lima, currently inbound towards Leo Palace with information. Lima, looking for a full stop.
Cessna 9853 Lima, Virginia Tower, Roger, Squawk VFR, report Leo Palace inbound.
Squawk VFR and report Leo Palace inbound for 53 Lima.